Ministry for Labor and Employment. And that memo was precisely on the arrangement of the agreements, basically on the agreements between government and labor. You are already aware of all the about 15 or 14 items as part of the agreements. But we went beyond mere agreements to tell them that something different this time is happening. Because one part of the agreement was to file it in a court of law, which we have set the process already. And the other one was the presidential approval. There cannot be any presidential approval more than the Federal Executive Council. So we presented them to the Federal Executive Council. We analyzed on each and every aspect of the agreement, and to show the genuineness and also the provide for harmonious and a good industrial relationship. And that was why it was presented and it was approved for implementation. The initial yes was agreed that within 30 days, we agreed for 30 days. And so within 30 days, there must be evidence of implementation. I think that was the basis for presenting it to Federal Executive Council, and the Federal Executive Council also approved that within these 30 days, we'll go on implementation of the agreement between labor and government.